In the front squat, the bar is placed across the front of the shoulders instead of the upper back, like in the traditional back squat. This shifts the centre of mass slightly forward, so it takes a little bit of pressure off the lumbar spine and adds a little bit more of a focus onto your quads. It's a staple exercise of Olympic lifting programs, as it allows you to really strengthen and build those quads, and it allows you to train getting up out of the hole. So if you do a heavy clean, basically what you're doing is you're coming up in a front squat. So first things first, the grip. So you're going to walk up to the bar, and it's going to be about chest height. You're going to place your fingers under the bar, and then you're going to make a semicircle with your elbows so that they come from below the bar to in front of the bar with your fingertips still on it. So your upper arm should be parallel to the ground, and you should have the bar resting across the front of your delts. Now, don't worry if it is touching your neck, that's absolutely fine. It's supposed to be that close into the body. It can be a little bit unsettling as well, not having your full hand on the bar. But remember, your hands are only there to add stability and control the bar. They're not actually there to hold it. They're not taking any of the weight. The weight is on your trunk. So from there, you lift the bar off the rack, of course. You get into a standard comfortable squat position. Now, I'm not going to describe that because everybody's structurally different and everybody squats differently, but generally your foot stance is between hip and shoulder width apart. And as you squat down into the movement, you should be focusing on keeping your elbows and chest up. The most common error with front squats is as you're squatting down into the hole, into the bottom of the movement, your upper back starts rounding and you drop your elbows towards the ground. Now, that's generally a sign of a stiff thoracic spine. You would need to work on that a little bit because you really want to keep those elbows and chest up. So I'll put a little link at the end of this video to some exercises for your thoracic spine. Now, once you're down at the bottom of the movement, the key is to keep everything nice and braced, and imagine you're pushing the ground away from you as you stand. Again, keep an eye on the rolling forward with the thoracic spine, so if the shoulders come forward and the elbows drop, you know what you're needing to work on there.